Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Located in southern Taoyuan City, Yangmei has a large Hakka population with a rich history. During the Qing Dynasty, they aptly named the region Yangmei Li. In Hakka, Li means a valley between the mesas, which is very fitting to the area. Yangmei fruits, also known as red bayberries, are plentiful in this area. Yangmei is also home to several temples, such as Shifu Gong, which celebrates the Hakka village deities, Sangguangdadi, or more commonly known as Sanjie Ye. These three saints, Yao, Shun, and Yu, are overseers of the sky, land, and water, and bring peace to the people. There are over 70 temples dedicated to them, and most of them are located in Hakka villages.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling and Leo. Where are we going to go today?
今天呢就來去透眼煙。
透眼煙就是桃園 County 嘛。
对啊，我们今天来去的地方它有很多的水果，那个小水果。
什麼樣的小水果？
楊梅。
楊梅。啊，楊梅不是就是楊梅嗎？
就是楊梅啊，对啊，你知道楊梅的地名是怎么来的吗？
不知道它真的是一个梅子吗？
对，在当年在那个地区非常非常多这种树。
All right, this is actually a very, very well-known city, if you will, in Taoyuan County, or a well-known township known as Yangmei. I'm sure you've seen it when you drive along the freeway. And the name of the city is based on actually a kind of plum, which is called 杨梅嘛。
杨梅。
杨梅。All right, 那杨梅又很大了，要去哪里？
我们来去一个叫做石福宮的地方。
宮就是宮嘛 ，That's a temple， 所以叫做石福宮。所以石福是谁呢？
石福就是祈福宮。
祈福就是要大家祈福嘛，是这样子吗？
那个音有点像啦。祈是那个金银铜铁锡的锡，福就是福气的福。
OK，
祈福宮它里面主要的供奉就是三官大帝。三官太帝。三
官太帝就三官大帝嘛，就是所谓的水。
天地水，
就是这样子。
对，又叫做三界爷。
There are 3 different saints that reside in this temple, and they protect the sky, the water, and the land. All right, so if you get a chance, you can go to Yangmei and check out this temple known as Shifu Gong, and it's very popular there. It's kind of like their religious center in Yangmei, I heard. So it's probably going to be crowded. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.